Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply effects to multiple clips in CapCut. Let's get started. For that, you need to drag and place your clips and make something like this video. Then you have two ways for applying effects on all these clips. One, go to the adjust, scroll down and for example change some elements in the color section. Once you have done, select on apply to all and you will see the settings you made are applied on all other clips. 2. Go to effects and pick an effect like blur. Then drag it and place it first and above the timeline and drag it until the end of the timeline. In this way, you apply the effect on all other clips. Feel free to cut it and place it on top of every clip you want. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification. See you in the next video.